Your Chevy Equinox is losing coolant and overheating because of a cracked surge tank, a leaking water pump, or a failing thermostat housing, and finding the exact source is the first step to fixing it. Today, we will pinpoint these 3 common failure points and walk through what it takes to replace the broken components to get your engine temperatures back to normal. The plastic coolant surge tank on the passenger side is the easiest culprit to spot. These tanks become brittle from constant heat cycles and develop hairline cracks along the bottom seams. You will usually smell burning coolant before you see a puddle on the ground. Run your hand under the tank and check the hoses connecting to it. If you feel slick, sweet-smelling fluid, you need to unbolt the reservoir, disconnect the hoses, and drop in a brand new replacement tank. If the tank is completely dry, you need to inspect the water pump located on the passenger side of the engine block. The internal seals wear out over time, causing coolant to bleed from the weep hole at the bottom of the pump. Use a flashlight to check the area around the serpentine belt and the engine block directly below the pulley. Seeing a crusty orange or pink residue means the water pump has failed and requires a complete replacement. Another major leak source is the plastic thermostat housing. The gasket mating the housing to the engine block degrades, causing coolant to seep down the side of the engine. You will need to trace the upper radiator hose back to the engine to locate this housing. If you find wet spots or dried coolant trails around this area, the housing and its gasket must be swapped out immediately. Always pressure test your cooling system after replacing any of these parts to ensure all seals are tight. Make sure to use the correct DexCool antifreeze when refilling the system and bleed the air out properly to prevent air pockets from causing future overheating spikes.